Na-recover ng 705th Maneuver Company Regional Mobile Force Battalion 7 ang improvised explosive device at mga components sa Sitio Avocado, Barangay Talalak, Santa Catalina, Negros Oriental noong ika-26 ng Agosto taong kasalukuyan. Ayon kay Police Lieutenant Rodel Bucahan Valdez, platoon leader ng Regional Mobile Force Battalion 7, bandang na-stress ng hapon na magsagawa ng combat operation ang mga otoridad na nagresulta sa pagka-recover ng isang piraso ng main charge peanut bulb, isang energizer battery 9 volts at isang toggle switch. Samantala, nasa kustodiya na ng 705th Maneuver Company RMFB-7 ang mga na-recover na IED components para sa dokumentasyon at tamang disposisyon.
Good day, sirs and ma'ams. I am Police Lieutenant Rodel Bucahan Valdez, platoon leader of 705th Maneuver Company Regional Mobile Force Battalion 7. Due to a reported alleged improvised explosive device components by a confidential former rebel, and to verify the veracity of the said report, we conducted our joint minor combat operation in collaboration with the personnel from Technical Support Company, Santa Catalina Municipal Police Station, the Maritime Group, and the Bravo Company of 11th IB, the Philippine Army. At the vicinity of Sitio Avocado, Barangay Talalak, Santa Catalina, that resulted in the recovery of those components. In behalf of Police Lieutenant Grant Serafin Villarreal Pitalio, officer in charge of this company, we are very grateful and thankful to the community for the collaborative effort they partake, especially in maintaining the peace and order in the community. We hope that the community will continue to support us in all our programs for the maintaining of peace and order in our country. Once again, good day and thank you.
Ang matagumpay na operasyon ay bunga ng pinagsanib pwersa ng Technical Support Company RMFB-7, RIU-7, Santa Catalina Municipal Police Station, 4th SOU Maritime Group, at Bravo Coy 11IB Philippine Army. Ang RMFB-7 ay patuloy ang pagpapaigting sa kampanya laban sa insurhensya at kriminalidad na naglalayong mahikayat na sumuko ang mga komunistang teroristang grupo sa pamalaan at mamuhay ng maayos at tahimik kasama ang kanilang mahal sa buhay.
Mula dito sa Central Visayas, ako yung Police News Network Correspondent, Patrolwoman Nikia Caniedo, alagad ng batas, taga-taguyod ng Balitang Pulis.